Always believe in yourself. If you want to succeed, you have to believe in yourself. You have to be confident. You can't be afraid or have doubts. Always remember, you become what you believe. If you want to master English, you must first believe that you can. You will never succeed if you doubt yourself. You will never master English if you always think it hard or are not talented enough. The best way to believe in yourself is to use positive talk. Always say, I can, I will, I must, I believe. The positive words will change your mind and build yourself confidence. No matter what you do, always trust yourself and believe yourself. You will succeed.